Alright, it's Ananda's birthday. We're here at Sugar Bush. Doesn't really feel like winter anymore, but I figured we'd get some skiing in. I love Sugar Bush, but if I'm being honest, it doesn't really have the best restaurants. So I think that we're gonna head to Killington today. It's a cool ride from here to Killington. There's a waterfall that should be cranking because of all the snow melt, so maybe take like a long exposure of that. I've been kind of wanting to do it for a few years now, so perfect day for it, and we'll make an adventure out of it.
Ain't shady, baby, I'm hot, like the prodigal son. Big up at the meeny, money, mo, and flower, you're the chosen one. Well, your left hand's free, and your right hand grip, with another left hand watches right and slip, towards his dawn.
You ready?
I'm ready. People are in a good mood today. They must know it's my birthday. That's like a really weird texture on the snow. I've never seen that before.
What do you think of that?
That's the gnarliest thing I've ever seen. That looks like the Roxbury Gap. Oh, that was sick, but now I just have to walk all of that and carry everything.
Alright, gonna use a DSLR as a GoPro on bumps. See how that goes.
That was awesome. Finally!